there is more to extrude than making a 3D model from a sketch. Activate extrude from the toolbar or with keyboard shortcut E. You can select one or multiple profiles, and you can also choose if you want to extrude a solid body or a thin extrude with custom wall thickness and with location set from either the inside, outside or center. The default setting is to start your extrude commando from the profile plane, but you can also start with an offset distance from the profile or from another object, such as a construction plane. This gives you great flexibility when you design. It is easy to extrude in multiple directions, both with custom dimensions and with symmetric settings. Use the measurement settings to select if you want your symmetric extrude distance to be valid for the whole length or for the half length. For example, do you want the distance 200 millimeters on each side or a total of 200 millimeters, which equals 100 millimeters on each side? You can set a positive or negative taper angle depending on your design goal. And just like the other demonstrated options, this works well with the thin extrude option as well. Let's create a sketch on a face to demonstrate operation type. First, I'll just go back and edit our extrude feature and turn it into a solid model again. When you drag your sketch upwards, a join operation is suggested. This new body will be part of your current body. Change to new body or new component if you want to create this as an individual part. Cut is automatically suggested when you go inside your body, and the red area will be removed in this cut operation. You can cut a specific distance to an object or through the entire body, including several bodies or components if you have that in your model. You can also flip your actions to the other direction, which could be useful in some cases, but not this one. You can also cut with a taper angle. Cut intersect is an interesting commando. It creates a new body from your cut selection and removes the rest of the body. You'll see more from extrude when you start the first project, but first, see you in the next lesson. Thank you.